If you want to associate your campaigns with a lead, prospect, customer, company, or deal, go to the Campaigns tab. Choose from among the list the campaign you want to associate to a record. You can apply filters for an easier search. Once you have selected the specific campaign that you want to associate with a record, click Associate Record. A pop-up message will appear where you to choose which record type would you want this campaign to be associated with. Select the record type from among the options Lead, Prospect, Customer, Company, Deal. Select an entity to associate the record with. Click Associate to apply the changes. Your campaign can go through different stages across your timeline. Choose from among the list the campaign you want to change the stage. You can apply filters for an easier search. Click the arrow icon to change the stage of the campaign. Select the stage. Add comments if applicable. Click Change Stage once done to apply the changes.